Potato Cats, and we're a third-year FLL team. Our problem that we're trying to address is dogs overheating in cars. Our solution is the Hot Diggity Dog Alert that texts your phone when your dog is beginning to overheat.
The problem we're trying to solve is hundreds of overheating dogs die each year in hot cars, tarmacs, and police vehicles. 80% of dog owners leave their dogs in cars without knowing how hot it can get within a short period of time. Dogs who experience heat stroke may have symptoms like red gums, vomiting, or seizures. A car that is about 75 degrees Fahrenheit can reach over 109 degrees Fahrenheit within a 30-minute period, with the windows rolled up. It is not illegal to leave your dog in the car unless they are put in immediate danger, but surprisingly, it is illegal to leave your dog tied to a post.
Yeah, okay. Other devices like ours are either very expensive or require a 2-year active renovation of cell and pager services through the companies. For instance, there's a device that would unlock the doors and roll down the windows of the car, but that is currently only being used by police canine units and not the general consumer public. Our device, instead of just measuring the ambient temperature like most devices, it would also measure the rate of change of the temperature so that we can alert you so you can get to your dog in time. It would sound an alarm so that passerbys could easily help by smashing the window and freeing your dog. And it would have an app that would incorporate breed-specific information for setting temperature thresholds based on the type of dog that you have.
Hi, I'm here to talk about solution development. We the Potato Cats divided our group into 2 different teams, the design team and the manufacturing team. The design team was in charge of choosing the name and logo for the Hot Diggity Dog product, as well as choosing the optimal location of sensors within the enclosure. They also built and constructed the entire project enclosure. The manufacturing team, on the other hand, had to determine which parts they wanted to use, program and maintain the entire Hot Diggity Dog program. They also ran a series of verification tests to make sure that the product, that the program and hardware was both reliable and accurate, and researched some of the temperature fluctuations of dogs in hot cars. Some other ideas that we had were to measure the dog's temperature directly, putting the device on a collar, measuring the heart rate of the dog, and motion sensors. Here's a picture of our manufacturing team hard at work.
To implement our idea, we decided to make a working prototype that would incorporate some of the features that we would expect in our final design, as you can see here. And currently it's made of hobbyist equipment, which is too expensive and too bulky for our use. And if we were to make a company, we would make it small. We make the components smaller, cheaper, and more specialized for our needs. And we've talked to several manufacturing companies such as Fitbit in California Model and Design, both of which they support us, and they told us the steps for manufacturing if we were to move on.
We did market research to interview our ideal customers by creating a survey using SurveyMonkey and going to various dog parks such as Fort Funston and posting the link on Facebook. We got 100 plus responses, and 2 of our 10 questions were, what is your first reaction to a product? We got 66% of very positive and 26% of somewhat positive. We asked people what they like in a product like this. A lot of people wanted smaller, cheaper, easy to use, and more reliable. Next steps for rollout. We're gonna fix our product according to the survey by making it smaller, adding an on and off switch reminder, and making an app for our device. We're going to do more research into the exact temperatures of dogs, depending on their breed, age, and other specific information. We're going fundraising on different fundraising accounts such as Indiegogo to submit a patent, and we're also talking to design and manufacturing consultants on where to sell our device and how to sell our device.
Thank you so much for listening to our presentation. We're now going to demonstrate our prototype.